Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your mousepad. If you don't clean your mousepad, the bacteria from your hand can build up on it and make it smelly, and we don't want that. So today we're going to fix that. This is going to be quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are two main types of mousepads that you'll find in an office or at a gaming area. It's a hard surface mousepad like this one here, or a cloth surface mousepad like this one here. They're both very easy to clean, but you're going to do them just a little bit differently. First, let's look at the hard surface mousepad. Hard surface mousepads are easier to clean because you can just take a damp cloth and wipe the entire surface of the mousepad. Now, if you have a really caked on dirt, you may need to use a toothbrush to get all of it up. But again, it's fairly easy to do. You could even take some mild soap, put it on the damp washcloth and wipe down your mousepad. Again, if there's really caked on stuff, you're going to need to use some sort of implement like a toothbrush to get all of that up. Now, the other type of mousepad that you may have is a cloth mousepad. Cloth mousepads do require a little bit more effort to clean, but not much. First thing you want to do is vacuum the surface of the mousepad. A lot of times you'll find crumbs or things like that get stuck in there that you definitely don't want. So vacuuming is a great first step to start with. Next, you're going to take some soap and water again. Mild soap is fine. You're going to mix that together in a sink or in a bowl like this. Next, take your cloth mousepad, submerge it into the water and let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes. You're going to want to gently scrub it while it's sitting there. If you have any really tough stains or really tough dirt, you can take a toothbrush and use that to get all of it up. Otherwise, you can just keep scrubbing it with your hand. After it's kind of sat in there for 2 or 3 minutes and you've scrubbed it around, you're going to take some clean water, rinse it off, and then lay it flat to dry. Now, if you're in a rush and you don't have time for it to air dry, you can actually put it in the washing machine. Put it in a laundry bag or something to protect it and wash it on a gentle cycle with some mild detergent. Be sure to rinse it well after it's done washing and lay it flat to dry. Sometimes putting a little bit of weight on top of the mousepad will help flatten it while it's drying. Now, before we wrap this up, I want to talk real quick about extending the life of your mousepad. Mousepads, especially cloth mousepads, can last for years if you care for them properly. One of the biggest enemies of a mousepad is the sun. The sun can cause the colors to fade on your mousepad, so be sure to keep it away from direct sunlight. Also, if you spill something on your mousepad, be sure to clean it up right away. If you let it sit there, it can cause a stain or it can cause mildew to grow on your mousepad, especially if it's a cloth mousepad, so clean it up right away. Vacuuming crumbs and things like that off of your mousepad will help extend its life. And then cleaning it once a month or so with soap and water will help keep it looking new for a long time. Alright, so now your mousepad should be looking almost brand new. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, click that subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our family. I'm the Cleaning and Life channel, and as always, we're going to teach you how to make your home a healthier place.